then the day ends and you lie awake in your bed, wishing you were somebody else, yeah, somebody else. I guess this is vogue, cocaine on the floor. Catch myself in the mirror, who the hell is this girl?
Hey guys, it's Wengie and Punny Hug, and today I'm going to be pulling some punny pranks on Wendy. Without further ado, let's get on with the pranks. Let's go! What's she doing in there? Whoa! Huh? Wendy, there's a leak in the bathroom. Help! What? Oh my god, where's the leak? Wengie? Hey Wendy, have you had dinner? No? Oh, well, I was using the microwave and then something happened and now it's all sticky. Okay, bye. What? That Wengie? I'm sick of cleaning up after her. What? Ugh. Hey Wengie, congratulations on passing your exams. Oh, thank you. As promised, I got you a brand new shiny Toyota. Oh my gosh, no way! You actually did it? I thought you were joking. Nope, go take a look. It's in the middle of our driveway. I'm so excited, my first car! What is this?
You seek Yoda.
A little Yoda toy? It's a Toyota. Hey Wendy, did you clean the cat litter like you promised? Oh, whoops. I'll do it tonight. You better, otherwise Mickey and Mia won't be happy. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's too late! What do you mean? Have you seen the kitchen? There's pee everywhere. What? Really? Yeah, it's your fault. You better come and clean this up. Fine. What? Wendy, it's 11 a.m. Friday! Friday, 11 a.m. My interview! Wengie, have you seen my phone? I'm late for my interview. What? Your interview's not today. What? You just said it was Friday. Yeah, Friday. What one? Wendy, are you making spaghetti? Yeah, it's bolognese. Yum!
A few moments later.
Wengie, I know spaghetti's your favorite, so I left some for you on the stove as well. Yes! You're the best. Yay, biscotti! What? Spaghetti on the stove. Hey Wengie, I'm sorry about the prank earlier. I know you really wanted a new car. It's okay, I didn't think you'd actually get me one anyway. Well, I bought you some flowers to make up for it. I know you love flowers. Oh really? You didn't have to. They're on your table. Awesome! Wendy, I'm gonna get you back. Wengie, it's summer. You should shave your legs. Oh, but I can't be bothered shaving my legs every day. Don't worry, I got you laser hair removal. Really? Like a voucher? It's on your table. Yay! Huh? What is this? So good. Is that tea? Yep. Smells so good. Oh, I made you a cup of tea as well. It's on the kitchen counter. Oh, really? Thank you. What the heck? Wengie, can you at least put in some headphones? I'm trying to study. Oh, but mine broke the other day. Oh, okay. Well, oh, by the way, I got you some Beats by Dre. They're on your bed. Oh, really? That's awesome! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Pulling pranks on each other this week. Let us know what your favorite prank is down below. Of course, now it's time to give a huge shout out to the Notification Squad member of the week and the Wengie Corn of the week. If you guys want a shout out next week, don't forget to find the instructions in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on social medias if you want to see what I get up to during the week and have some behind the scenes footage. And until next week, I'm going to miss you guys so much and I'll see you guys then with a new video. Bye guys!